everyone! Yesterday, me and my family went to the mall to go buy some gifts for our friends. We weren't planning on getting any of the stuff from there, but there was this fidget stall with so many fun fidgets, and we did convince our dad to buy them, right? Mm-hmm. So I got one fidget, she got one fidget, he got two fidgets.
It was 4 for $20.
Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell,
like, and comment.
So Jamila's gonna open hers first. So, what did you get?
I got this pea popper, but some people call it a peas in a pod.
Wow.
So let's open it.
Okay, so the purpose of a peas in a pod is that at the bottom of the pod, you're supposed to push it, and the little peas in it will pop up like that. See how she's squeezing the bottom? It'll push those little green things inside up. And it's supposed to satisfy you.
And it has a cute little face, but it doesn't have a back.
And if you've seen our other fidget videos explaining what fidgets are, as you can see, it keeps your fingers busy.
And you can also keychain it to your bag.
Yeah.
But so I'm not, because someone might steal it from my bag.
What do you rate it out of 10?
Maybe 10 out of 10.
Of course.
Because, kind of like a 9.5.
Yeah.
Because, sometimes it's actually kind of hard to squeeze out because it kind of hurts.
Maybe it's because it's new and you're not really used to it. So maybe if you play with it more, you'll get used to it, right?
I think the peas is sweating, or maybe it's the dog's ear.
Yeah, what's that circle for? Maybe it's Pierre.
Wanna try it?
Oh, okay. Do you like it? What do you rate it, Pierre? A 10? Oh, okay. Can I have a turn?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Wait, that's actually good because some other pea poppers that are on the internet,
broken.
They easily rip out, or it's
like
this. See, yeah, show them where, because you can see the little two bits inside of it, they connect, and usually they just tear
snap.
Out. So
I
rate that a 10 out of 10.
That's what happened to my friend's one, Ruby.
Next up is Pierre.
So what do you have? So
it's sort of like a yo-yo. So you're supposed to put that thing, that hair tie thing, and put it on your arm, and then you can bounce it, and then you can just keep a hold of it, because how normally balls always just disappear and it's really hard to get. It will be attached to your hand, and then when you bounce it, you can just catch it because there's a string, a stretchy string attached to it. It can also light up. There were so many of these at the stall. There were different colors, different pictures on it. There were frozen ones, Olaf ones.
Wait, hold this. Do this. I'm gonna try it.
Can I show them an example after?
Sure. Wait.
So as you can see, when she bounces it, it doesn't go everywhere.
Yes,
because,
it does.
Well, it doesn't go everywhere without, because it's like a leash sort of. Wait, can I have a turn?
Sure. Wait. Let's remove this first.
Okay. Wait, we can remove that.
I heard that. I can't.
Okay. So we've got a smiley face on it, and then you see that green ball inside. That's what makes it light it up when you hit it. Then there's a dinosaur picture and some green sparkly glitters. So when you hit it, it will make a light. There we go. But it's better not to do it on a leather. It's better to do it on a hard one because it will bounce. Nope. Still doesn't do anything.
Concrete.
Yeah.
Next time we can bring that to the school.
Yeah. If we go to the school to go bike, you can bring that because there's lots of cement there.
Next up is Patrice. So, what you got here?
What happened to your voice? Okay, this is a sand stress ball. Well, it's technically not a ball, but they can come in any like shapes and sizes. So. What was that? Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna open it.
Smells like paint. Ew, why are you smelling its butt?
Wait.
Can I feel it?
Wait, can I play with it first? Wait, okay, there we go. Wait, you can stretch it and then it molds. Don't stretch it too much though.
It feels so nice.
Hey, don't stretch it too much. You're gonna here. Hey. So, you can actually mold it. Look, so if it's straight, right? It's straight. But then, if you move it like this, it'll stay.
It's flexible. If you're going to gymnastics all day.
Yeah, oh my gosh, look, it can do a back bend.
Can go to
All the way. It's Albert, guys. Okay, here we go.
Albert Einstein. Wait, can I? Can I peer?
Okay. Don't pinch it, okay?
Feels so satisfying. I bet it's like soft sand.
I think it's like one of that, like, it's sort of like kinetic sand because it's like moldable sand. So it can like mold easily. I love this. I rate this a 10 out of 10, obviously.
Same.
What do you rate this here? Is 10 out of 10?
Yeah. But why is it 10 out of 10?
Do you want to know why?
Why?
Because it's amazing. It's amazing. You can mold it, you can stretch it. The last one up is Pierre. Well, this is basically a bigger version of his other monkey noodle. It's the same color, but just not the same size.
It's thicker.
His other one actually sort of ripped and is almost broken, and someone tied a knot in it, and it's really hard to get out, so.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, open it. Are you excited, Pierre? He's a bit camera shy, so just trust the process.
Can I feel it?
Wait, that's big. Wait, let me
that's
play with it.
thick.
Can I feel it, Pierre? Thank you.
I'm having.
Oh, look, it's got like a hole.
Can I feel it?
Oh, that's a bit stiff.
Can I feel
think maybe when you get used to it, it's like
Yeah, it's maybe
stiff.
like.
Maybe you just need to like wait to get used to it, and it'll become stretchier.
Can I have your old monkey noodle?
Whoa! I rate that like
An 9.
an 8.8.
I rate
Very
it a 9.
specific.
9.
8.8 because it's like sort of stiff, and it's like I'm used to like the mini monkey noodles, to be honest. So I'm just gonna rate
don't
that
hit
at
me.
8. And also
Don't
there are
hit me.
holes on the ends of the monkey noodle. So that's it for today. I actually can't believe these fidgets were like 4 of them were only $20.
But they're actually kind of worth it.
They are very worth it. This is really fun. That's really good. And the 2 that he got are really good. So if you live in Auckland, if you want to buy like any of these, make sure to go check out Sylvia Park in Auckland. I just love this. And once again, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like and comment. See you next time. Bye. Whoosh!